If you are looking for a restaurant that has a mouth-watering, yummy, and so delicious food with such an amazing view from top of a building, well, this place is perfect. Hi guys, I'm Tina and welcome to Enjoy! It is the highest, most expensive, and most luxurious panoramic buffet in Taiwan, located on the 86th floor of Taipei 101. I personally like the vibe here. It's like giving you the feeling of a countryside in a busy city. And as you guys notice, the artwork of this place is really something. Lakas makasosyal. And the food here, they got all varieties of food. I'm very overwhelmed with this hand rolled sushi, nigiri, even this live oyster is so fresh. And yung oyster guys, ang laki ha. From fried to grilled and even baked. Oh, everything is so delightful, so delicious, even the presentation of food. They get lamb, duck, shrimp, and so much more. Sobrang dami mong pagpipilian. Imagine guys, honey directly from the beehive. Oh my gosh, it's really something. How fresh can you imagine is that? And look how creative their food is. It's like crunchy bread outside and creamy soup inside. And it's the second highlighted for me, the crab. It's so fresh compared to the other restaurant. And yung feeling ng luxurious dining in the sky, super. And guys, buffet that has A5 Wagyu? Wow! On the beverage area, they have coffees, juices, teas, and even alcoholic drinks. And who wouldn't want a dessert? Guys, look at these sweets. The cakes, pastries are so delightful.
这边是初恋恋，那它是我们跟法鹏做联名的。这款的话会是香槟葡萄慕斯朵荔枝清酒的雪酪哦。等一下吃的话，可以一口慕斯一口雪酪搭配着吃会比较好吃哦。谢谢小当家。
Oh my gosh, you wouldn't mind your diet when you see this. And check it out, dessert that looks like Taipei 101. It's so creative, it's so cute. Oh, they have this designated pictures area. First, you need to scan this QR code to get the link. They will collect the photos you will be taken and make video from it and then send it to you. A piece of harmonious art will be the background for my first picture. Scan here, then ready to pose. Proceed to the next picture spot. That is the camera. That will be the background. And here is the QR code to scan and then pose. And the most pictures key is this one. There is the camera, and here is the QR code. And look at the 360 view. This will be your background. Wow. And guys, even the bathroom, you have this overlooking view.